Ano masasabi mo sa, did you have fun today? You enjoyed it? Answer me. Did you enjoy swimming? You did? Is it Aya's birthday today?
Ako yung birthday.
Hindi, birthday ni Ate Aya tomorrow. Greet mo siya. Sino may birthday?
Si ate, akong birthday Cinderella.
Kailan ang birthday mo?
September 3rd.
September 30.
September 30.
Very good.
Good job.
Anis. Isa pa.
Good job. Good job. Good job, Iber.
Ay, bakit? Tari ito. Good job. Janice.